Ever wondered how some people manage to find such unique, high-quality items at thrift stores, while you only seem to find outdated, worn-out stuff? Well, welcome to the exciting world of thrift shopping, a treasure hunt that's not only fun, but also full of surprises. It's like a game, a quest for that one-of-a-kind piece that speaks to you. The thrill of finding that perfect vintage dress, the rare book from your favorite author, or that retro piece of furniture that fits your style like a glove, is simply unmatched. But thrift shopping isn't just about scoring great deals or finding unique items that add a touch of individuality to your wardrobe or home. It's also a fantastic way to support your local community and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. By choosing to buy secondhand, you're not only stretching your dollar further, but also helping to reduce the demand for new products. This, in turn, decreases the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and lessens the environmental impact of manufacturing new goods. So, while you're hunting for that vintage gem, remember that you're also doing your bit for our planet. Now, thrift shopping can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. The unorganized racks, the sheer volume of items, and the uncertainty of what you're going to find can be intimidating. But fear not, because once you get the hang of it, you'll realize it's not only rewarding but also incredibly addictive. The key to successful thrift shopping lies in patience, persistence, and a keen eye for detail. It's about embracing the thrill of the hunt, the uncertainty of what you'll find, and the satisfaction of unearthing a hidden gem that's just waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of thrift shopping? Are you ready to turn the mundane into the magnificent, to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, and to find beauty in the forgotten? Stick around to learn how to master the art of thrift shopping and find your own hidden gems. Thrift shopping isn't just about luck, it requires a strategy. Think about it. You wouldn't dive into an ocean without a map, right? The same goes for thrift shopping. First off, setting a budget is crucial. It's so easy to get carried away when you see those low prices. But remember, every little bit adds up. Next, make a list of items you need. This will keep you focused and prevent you from making impulse purchases. And don't forget to research thrift stores in your area. Some stores might specialize in certain items, while others may have more general merchandise. Now, let's talk timing. Early mornings during weekdays are usually the best times to go thrift shopping, as stores are less crowded and freshly stocked. Also, keep an eye out for sale days. With a clear plan, you're ready to embark on your thrift shopping adventure. Are you excited? Because I can't wait to see what treasures you'll find. Entering a thrift store can be overwhelming, but knowing how to navigate can make all the difference. It's a bit like treasure hunting, where the map is your keen eye and the treasure is those unique finds that add character to your wardrobe or home. Let's unravel some tips to guide you through the maze of pre-loved items. First off, start at the back. Why? Well, many shoppers start at the front and often don't make it all the way to the back. This means that there could be less explored racks and shelves, waiting for you to discover some overlooked gems. Next, don't limit yourself to just one section. Look at all sections, regardless of gender or size. You'd be surprised at the fantastic pieces you can find in the wrong section. A large men's shirt could be an oversized blouse for a woman. A small women's jacket could be a perfect fit for a man. It's all about seeing the potential and thinking outside the box. And let's not forget about the home goods and accessories sections. From vintage picture frames and kitschy salt and pepper shakers to retro handbags and statement jewelry, these areas are often treasure troves of unique finds. If you're looking to inject some personality into your space or wardrobe, don't skip these sections. Remember, thrift shopping isn't just about finding the cheapest item. It's about finding pieces that speak to you, that tell a story, and that add a dash of uniqueness to your style or home. It's about the thrill of the hunt and the joy of discovery. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and don't get discouraged if you don't find something right away. Thrift shopping is a bit of a game, and sometimes you have to play a few rounds before you hit the jackpot. Now that you know how to navigate, let's talk about what to look for. Not all thrift store items are created equal. Knowing what to look for can help you find the real gems. And that's the beauty of thrift shopping. Every visit is a treasure hunt where you are the explorer. So, what should you be on the lookout for? Firstly, quality is key. That bargain price tag is not so much of a bargain if the item falls apart after 2 uses. Check the stitching, the material, and the general wear and tear. If it's a piece of clothing, a good rule of thumb is to look for natural fibers like cotton, silk, or wool. These materials tend to age well and offer a higher level of comfort and durability. Next, don't shy away from well-known brands. They are well known for a reason, right? Quality, style, and longevity are often associated with these brands. So, if you spot a designer label, it's probably worth a second look. But remember, the goal is not to buy branded items for the sake of it, but to find quality pieces that you'll love and use. Now, let's talk about potential. Thrift stores are a DIY enthusiast's dream. With a little imagination and some elbow grease, you can turn an overlooked item into a one-of-a-kind piece. That outdated coffee table? It just needs a lick of paint. Those oversized shirts? They could be your next summer dress. Embrace the potential and get creative. Lastly, take your time to thoroughly check items for any damage. Look for stains, tears, missing buttons, or broken zippers. Some issues are fixable, but others might not be worth the hassle. Armed with these tips, you're ready to find your own hidden gems. But remember, the true value of a thrift store find is not in its price or brand, but in how much joy it brings you. So go forth, explore, and let the thrift store adventure begin. Happy hunting! You've found some great items, but the thrift shopping process isn't over yet. Now let's talk about the importance of sticking to your budget. It's easy to get carried away by the thrill of finding hidden gems. But remember, the essence of thrift shopping is to save money. So, as you stand in line with your chosen items, take a moment to review your haul. Do you really need all those items? Are they within your budget? If the answer is no, it's okay to put some items back. Next up, negotiating prices. Don't be shy about haggling. It's all part of the thrift shopping experience. If you see a price tag that seems a bit high, or if an item has a small flaw, it never hurts to ask for a discount. More often than not, thrift stores are willing to negotiate on prices, especially on higher priced items or items that have been in the store for a while. And finally, let's talk about post-thrift care. You've made your purchases and you're excited to add them into your wardrobe or home. But before you do that, it's essential to give your items a good clean. Clothes should be washed or dry cleaned, and household items should be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. This not only ensures that your items are fresh and ready to use, but it also helps to extend their lifespan. For clothes, follow the care instructions on the tag. If there's no tag, a safe bet is to wash in cold water and air dry. For furniture and other household items, a simple wipe down with a disinfectant should do the trick. But for more delicate items, such as antiques or vintage pieces, you may want to do a little research to find the best cleaning method. So, there you have it. You've successfully navigated the thrift store, found your hidden gems, stuck to your budget, negotiated prices, and learned how to care for your thrifted items. With these final tips, you're ready to become a thrift shopping pro. Now that you've learned the ins and outs of thrift shopping, it's time to put your skills to the test. Remember, the thrill of the hunt is half the fun, and who knows, you might just stumble upon your next treasure. The world of thrift shopping is vast and full of surprises waiting to be discovered. So why not dive in? Take your time, be patient, and remember all the tips we've shared today. From preparing for your shopping adventure, to navigating the store, identifying hidden gems, and taking care of your thrifted items post-purchase, you now have all the tools you need to thrift like a pro. So go out there and let the thrift shopping adventure begin. We can't wait to hear about your finds and experiences. What's the best item you've ever found at a thrift store? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly tips and tricks. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.